If your Blink Sync Module 2 is not connecting to Wi-Fi, don't factory reset it just yet. In many cases, this problem can be fixed in just a few minutes, and I'll show you the solutions that actually work. A failed connection can leave your cameras offline, stop motion alerts, and block live view when you need it most. Whether the issue started after changing your router, updating the Wi-Fi password, a power outage, a weak signal, or a setup error, these steps will help you get the module back online. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Unplug the sync module from power. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and give it about a minute to fully restart. Pause the video here and try that step before moving on. If it still won't connect, restart your router and modem as well. Unplug both devices, wait 30 seconds, plug them back in, and wait until your internet connection is fully restored before trying to reconnect the Blink module. Another thing that often gets overlooked is the LED status lights on the sync module. During setup, you should normally see a blinking blue light and a solid green light. That combination means the module is ready to connect. If the lights look different, restart the module and continue with the setup. If the app says the Wi-Fi password is incorrect, enter it carefully one more time. Check capital letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces because even a single wrong character can stop the connection. A very common cause of this issue is the Wi-Fi band. Blink Sync Module 2 works best on a 2.4 GHz network because it offers better range and wall penetration than 5 GHz. If your router combines both bands into one network, try separating them or temporarily disabling the 5 GHz band during setup. Also, make sure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz network before you begin pairing. Another cause that often gets overlooked is weak Wi-Fi signal strength. Move the sync module closer to your router during setup and keep it within a strong Wi-Fi range. Try to avoid thick walls, metal objects, or large furniture between the router and the module since these can weaken the signal. If you're using a mesh Wi-Fi system or a Wi-Fi extender, temporarily remove it from the setup process. Connect the sync module directly to the main router first, because mesh systems can sometimes interrupt pairing by switching devices between access points. Once the module connects successfully, move it back to its normal location and test the connection again. If those steps didn't work, don't worry. There's one more fix worth trying before resetting the module. Check your router's security settings and temporarily switch from WPA3 to WPA2, as this has resolved the issue for many users. Then try pairing the module again, and once it's connected, you can switch back to your preferred security settings if needed. If the Blink app still fails during setup, try using a different smartphone. Also, turn off mobile data and disable any VPN or security apps so your phone uses only your home Wi-Fi during the setup process. This helps eliminate anything that might interfere with the connection. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Remove the sync module from the Blink app, then press and hold the reset button until the red light flashes. Release the button and wait until you see the blinking blue light and solid green light again. Don't worry, this only resets the module's connection settings, and you can easily add it back through the Blink app. If a factory reset still doesn't fix the issue, try a firmware reset by unplugging the module, holding the reset button while plugging it back in, and releasing it once the red light flashes. Wait for the startup lights, then try the setup again. If the sync module connects but your cameras stay offline, power cycle the cameras, replace the batteries if needed, and re-add them one at a time. If the module still won't connect, the issue may be with your router or network settings. Contact Blink support or your internet provider and let them know what you've already tried. Hopefully, one of these fixes got your Blink Sync Module 2 back online. If this video helped, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and share which fix worked for you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.